So, ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Let's Move Spinning number 21. Very housey dance release, but still with a lot of fun tracks that you are familiar with. It's a relatively tough one, but you're used to that as well. Hey, I'm still working on the best of release number 11 till 20. I still need your input to know which songs that I use. So, like when I upload this video, I will be putting a list of all the songs that I've used over the past 10 releases on my Facebook page. You can choose which one to use for my next release. Next release is going to be a long release because it's going to be a 2-hour release. For all the rest, just enjoy this one. The next release, number 22, is already being made, which is a special summer release. So I'm sorry for the people in Australia. Just watch that one in half a year, and then you're going to be in summer when we're in winter. Have a great workout. See you on the other side. So here we go, once again, with just a little bit resistance to start out with. You always want to start easy, but not too easy, obviously. You want to warm up right here, so make sure that the resistance is high enough to really feel it, but not to wear you out yet. So good luck. It's going to be a tough training today, and we're going to start with like, 2 parts of almost a minute already to start warming you up. So good luck right now already. And for the rest of the course. I'm sure you're going to be fine, but you need to feel this. Physically, mentally, and hopefully a couple of days afterwards. So good luck, but you're in good hands. Alright, so just a little resistance. Let's do this, let's do this. Woo! Let me turn up my volume a little bit already. Is it just on? It is. Yeah. Perfect. Yes, it really does feel. The music sounds so much better with you. All of you together. Okay, so drop the shoulders just a little bit. Lengthen that spine. And bring up the pace. Just a little bit faster. Round number 1 with just a little bit of resistance, which you already should have right now. Yes. Alright, so drop the shoulders, lengthen the spine, place your hands nice and wide, hit it, go. Yes, the first round to get into it, drop the shoulders, lengthen that spine. Woohoo! As I said, we're just getting started. It's a long one, so keep on going. This feels like, woo! Keep on pushing, keep on pulling all the way through. Yes. You're nearly there, you're nearly there. Hope you're not worn out yet, because we have a lot of tracks today. Oh. Woo. Good morning. Hands back and relax. Woo. My body thinks it's stuff already. All right, so one more round before we can actually start with your first climb of today. But again, you are going to be very fine. So, same thing for round number 2. The only thing is, you need to make a choice. You need to make a choice if you're going to go faster or you're going to go harder, so more resistance. If you cannot make that decision, that's fine. That's fine. Just do both. That's fine too. So again, drop the shoulders. Take the resistance up. Just a little bit faster if you can. Or harder. You've got the choice. Alright, drop the shoulders just a little bit. Just a little bit faster. Drop the shoulders. And here we go. Go. Ooh yeah. much room today. I don't really need a warming up, but let's do this. Keep on going. Ow! Keep on going. Push and pull, babe. I feel like oh yes. Okay, you need it there, you need it there, you need it there. We're almost at the end before we're gonna hit our first climb. So keep on going, keep on going. Push and pull all the way through. Oh yes. Okay, so slow it down just a little bit. Take your hands back and take that resistance up. Because after the next drop, we are gonna stand up. The first climb of today. So take that resistance a whole lot higher. So only when you are the real Slim Shady, you should stand up. So more resistance, hands out, and stand up. Oh yeah. Woo! I'm just in frame. Keep on going. Perfect. Okay, this is a really short climb, so just a little bit more resistance to keep that body moving or working. So we only have 4 more to go. 3, 2, enough for now. Sit down, take that resistance back. Relax, relax. And when I say back, I mean enough to still feel it when you're sitting down, but not to wear you out. Every time it's a break, but not really a break. If you know what I mean. Alright, so more resistance. Take that little knob to the right, or a big knob. Round number 2, just a little bit longer, and when I say a little bit longer, I mean twice as long. So 4 to go. 3 to go. Ready? Set, more resistance, hands out, stand up, go! Oh yeah. Push and pull and push and pull. I know that you can do it. Go! Woo. Just a little more, keep going. Yeah. Right. So from this climb, we're gonna go straight down into a sprint. Just after a while. So keep on going, just a little bit. Yes. All the people joining this class are just beautiful people. And if you're not there yet, you will become beautiful by doing this every day. Well, every day, a couple of times a week. All right, so more speed, more speed. All right, sit down, take the load off, drop the shoulders, and lengthen your spine. Go! Fast and strong. Here we go, don't you know? Woo! Keep going, keep going. Live your life.
Let the love inside.
Yes, keep going.
It's your life, it's your life. The beauty's deep inside.
10 more seconds to go, yes.
Don't let them bring you down. Oh, the beauty is inside.
Woo! Alright.
Don't let them bring you
For now, it's enough. Take your hands back and relax. Chill. Alright. Don't be mad, but the next sprint is gonna be very, very short. I know you didn't come here to like sprint short. We're gonna do that nonetheless. Alright, just a really short break and a really short sprint, then a short break and then a somewhat longer sprint. Actually, a way longer sprint. Alright, so more resistance, just stay in control. Drop those shoulders, take your hands out, and speed it up. Go! Oh yes! Put, pull, put, pull. Just a little sprint, so you only have 4 more seconds to go. 3. Okay, for now that's enough. Take your hands back and relax, relax, relax. Let's do it one more time, but this sprint is gonna be a little bit longer. Again, you are gonna be totally fine, but spread it out just a little bit more.
The beauty is inside you. Don't let them bring you.
More resistance, drop the shoulders, take your hands out. Here we go. Yes, all of you are beautiful, don't you know? 30 more seconds to go. You can do this. Keep on going. Yes, 20 more seconds to go. Can you speed it up just a little bit more? I know you can do this. Woo! I don't know, we're just getting started. Just to say you have to slack already. Keep on going all the way till the end. You can do this. 10 more seconds to go. Yes, only 4 more. 3, 2, for now, it's enough. Take your hands back. Relax, relax, relax. Yes. So what we're gonna do is take the resistance up. We're gonna have 2, well, you know what? Let's make it 1 big climb with a hover. I think you can manage. You can do this. If it's too much, instead of a hover, you can sit down as well. It's just gonna be a little while, so don't worry too much about it. All right, so take that resistance up, take your hands out, stand up. Now, yes, enough resistance to keep you standing up, and just a little bit more to take you out of breath, to get that heart rate pumping. Yep. Keep on going. Oh yes, oh yes. So 4 more seconds to go. You can do this. Ready? Set. Hover. Your upper body stays still. As still as you can. It should look like the upper frame just froze. Ready, set. More, and go. So from this hill, we're gonna sprint up right away again as well. So speed it up just a little bit more, just a little faster. Please hurt me. Some more, and I will. More speed. More speed, okay. So sit yourself down, take that resistance back, and sprint, now. Oh yeah. Woo, and we're just getting started. Good luck. Keep going, keep going.
I don't know, what can I do? What else can I say? It's up to
So 4 more. 3, 2, for now it's enough. So relax, hold it.
Baby, don't hurt me. Don't hurt me.
All right, round number 2, we're gonna sprint right away again. So drop the shoulders. Is the resistance still high enough? Probably it is. So take your hands out and speed it up. Now, go. Yes, 20 more seconds to go. And if you think you have heard all the good tracks of today, it's gotta get different. It's gotta become different. Listen carefully.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you come from?
So, we're gonna go on for a good climb, but a short climb. So take your hands back and take that resistance up again. So take that resistance up. Take it higher, further, stronger. Hands out, stand up, go.
I've been married a long time ago. Where did you come from? Where did you go? Where did you
is it again. Just the first half.
Where did you go?
Woo!
From Cotton Eye Joe.
Oh yeah, so 4 more seconds to go. 3 more. Alright. Just a short break, sit down, relax, relax, relax. Perfect. So, round number 2, twice as long, but you are gonna be fine because we're still starting up. So, their resistance just a little bit higher. So if you can, and if you dare, take it as high as before and then just top it up a little bit further. Just a little bit more if you can. Hands are out and stand up, please. Hey, for now, your resistance just a little higher, more. Keep going. Woo! Hey. So for now, it feels good already, but we're gonna get a little bit deeper in that heart rate, a little bit deeper in those legs, and a little bit further into your breath. So we're gonna have 2 sprints, a relatively long one and a really long one, and then we're gonna have 2 long climbs. After that, your first and only interval training. But first, sit down, relax. So breathe well, because you're gonna need your breath. 10 more seconds to go before we're gonna hit our first sprint, and it's supposed to be very, very fast. Drop the shoulders just a little. Take the resistance up to a normal level. Drop the shoulders, take your hands out, and here we go. Oh yes. Push and pull, push and pull. I know that you can do it. Show me. Woo! Just a little faster. More. Oh yeah. 20 more seconds to go. Yes. Push, pull, push, pull. I know that you can do it. Keep going. This is what you call a bad bitch. 10 more seconds. 8, 7, 6. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. Only 4 more seconds to go. Woo! All right, relax. Take your hands back. Relax. Good luck. Because the next sprint is going to be longer. But longer. Like 50% longer. So if this was tough, spread it out just a little bit more. Don't give everything yet. 1 minute in a sprint. Which is maybe not even a sprint anymore. But it should look like one. Alright, just a little faster. What do you think of this one? Can you still take it higher? Do you need to? Check it. Drop those shoulders. Lengthen. Take your hands out. Show me. Go. Oh yes. Woo. Push and pull and push and pull and just a little further. Go. Oh yes. I was gonna say you're nearly there, but that's not true. Keep going. Keep going. You're almost halfway there. I'm serious. So keep on going, keep on going. Push, pull, push, pull. We need hot stop. No, we don't. We really don't. Okay. So for now, Relax. Take your hands back. Hands back. Relax. More resistance. More resistance. Yes. A long climb starts here. So take that resistance nice and high. Higher, higher, higher. Take your hands out. Stand up. Go. Ah, yes. Your last track before the interval training, which already means that you should be really high in your heart rate and your breath. Yes? So keep on going. Oh yes, go! Take that resistance a little higher. Oh yes! Keep going, keep going. Perfect. Only 4 more to go. Hey, you know what? We're still standing up, but first, just a small hover, so keep your body still.
Sitting here eating my heart out, waiting.
Ready, set, more, go! Oh, so good. So good. Woo! You're nearly there, so keep on going if you can now. 20 more seconds. Keep going. And if it feels tough, you're exactly where you should be. You're right on schedule. 10 more seconds. Keep going. Enough for now. Sit down, relax. Wow. All right. Whew. When I told you in the beginning, in the intro, it's going to be tough, I may have understated that. Wow. Whew. And it's going to get worse, I see. Yay. More resistance, more resistance, more resistance. One more climb to go. This last climb is the last one before your interval training. And it's just as long as the one before. It's just long. More, more, more. Hands out. Stand up. Oh yes. It kind of came as a surprise, I know. So from here, you should really be building up again to get to the same resistance as before. So more. If you can and then take that resistance a little higher, please. And keep on going. Woo! Oh yes. Okay, so you're halfway. I'm gonna ask you one more time in this climb, to please take that resistance just a little higher. If it's too fast, take some resistance off. That's fine too. That's fine. But you gotta get a break after this. A relatively long break. 8, 7, 6. Keep on going. Only 4 more seconds to go. Sit down, relax. Pretty out of breath already. But it's gonna get worse. 3 rounds. The first 2 rounds, you're gonna stand up twice and then have a sprint. The third round, you're gonna stand up 4 times and then a sprint. The sprints are all equal, all the same length. Again, this should be your first beat, so it should feel like it. So turn that knob to the right and stay in the beat. Ba, 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 ba. Oh yeah, do yeah, do yeah. All right, round number 1. Remember, we're only gonna stand up twice, which means the resistance should be really high. So take it further, further, further. Hands out, stand up, go! Sit down. Oh yes. Let's do exactly the same again. Stand up now. Down. All right, now your hands. Come in, your elbows come in, your hips toes forward, shoulders down, speed it up, go. Speed it up, all the way through. Woo. 8 more seconds. 8. 7, just a little faster because you're gonna get a long break again. 4, 3, 2, relax, relax, relax there. Take the resistance back. Whew. You're gonna have another 40 seconds to build up the resistance again to hit it a little bit harder in the second round. Always, after the interval training, you're gonna get a break. You're gonna get the time to recover a little bit, which means you shouldn't recover too much now. Take that resistance up just a little notch. So load those legs just a little more. You should really feel it already. If not, you need more of this. Keep on going. Round number 2, identical to the first one, so you know exactly what's gonna happen. Take it higher, take it stronger, more power, hands out, go! And sit down. Perfect. Let's do it one more time. Stand up now. Oh yes. Sit down. So again, take those hands in. Try to keep the resistance. Hip forward, drop it, and speed it up. Woo! Everything you've got and a little bit more now. 10 more seconds. Keep going. And up and out, take your hands back. Relax, 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 relax. One more round to go. One more round to go before we're gonna recover just a little bit. We're gonna hit the last round. But first, in the beat. 4 times, up and down, then a sprint. Then we're gonna take down the pace. Literally in this time. More. Lock and load. More, more. Ready, set, hit it! Sit down! Oh yes, keep on going! Out of breath or worse. Alright, sit down, and if you're not there yet, take that resistance just a little higher and keep on going. Stand up! Oh yeah, sit down! Woohoo! Stand up, go! Sit down. All right, one more time. Hands are in, elbows are in, head forward, and speed it up. Woohoo! Keep on pushing, keep on pulling, keep on going. You're so close. You're so close. All right, keep going just a little bit, but take the speed down a little bit. Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. Take it down. And relax. Relax. Ah. Woo. So. It's time to recover just a little. So let's first start with just a little bit of resistance, just a little bit, to flush those legs. We want some new energy in there. I want to flush out everything that doesn't need to be in those legs. So good luck. Good luck. You don't need luck. Good fun. Good recovery. Alright, so just a little bit of pace, nothing too extreme. Unless you really want to. Hands out, just a little pace. So 10 more seconds to go. And you can do this. Keep on going, stay strong, and do this. Right. Hands back and relax. So, right, round number 2. Just a little bit more resistance and a little bit more speed, but keep it down low. Hands out, speed it up. Now. Only 2 months till September. Keep on going. Woo! Keep going, keep going. So push pull. So now you're all loosened up again. Now you're all ready to climb to the second peak. The second peak is the second half of this class. Hands back. But first, hey, take your resistance just a little higher. Enough resistance to carry you onto your pedals. So more resistance, please. Turn that to the right. Enough to stand up, so take it higher, please. Your hands are out. Stand up, now. A good start of the second round, or the second half. Woo! A little bit more, because I know you're taking it easy. And that's fine, but just not too easy.
Juliet, teenage dream. I felt it in my chest as she looked at me. I knew we were bound to be together, bound to be together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened.
Alright, enough for now. Sit down and relax.
Oh, don't you dare look back. Just keep your eyes on me. I said you're holding back. She said shut up and dance with me. This woman is my destiny.
Round number 2, just a little longer, but still good for you. It's gonna be easy enough. Don't take it too far yet. You can do it after this track. Trust me, there's enough space to wear you out. So more resistance. Hands out, stand up. Now. A little more. Rock and load. Keep going. Only 10 more seconds to go. So sit down, take the resistance back, relax, relax, relax. We're gonna have 2 sprints, which are relatively low. Yeah. Good luck. All right. So first, drop your shoulders, put your hands out, speed it up. Now, so we're gonna start out relatively easy in the sprint, and we're gonna take it higher. Either the resistance or the speed, it's your choice. Again, and you know what you can do, but you can't make a choice. Keep on going, keep on going, keep on going. All right, the last 20 seconds, we're gonna go just a little bit deeper. Your choice, more resistance or more speed, or both. Ready, set? Drop those shoulders, lengthen that spine, and here we go, go, go! Yes, 10 more seconds to go. Only 2 more to go. Just 1. Relax, relax, relax. All right, enjoy this break because it's going to be a long break. But as far as I see, the only long break until the very final track. Yes?
I will not worry for you. You'll be just fine. Take my thoughts with you, and when you look behind, you will surely see a face that you recognize. You're not alone. Away to the end of time. Open your mind. Surely it's plain to see. You're not alone.
So this sprint is just as long, but it's divided in 2. We're gonna change grip halfway through. Just a little bit more. Take the same resistance as before, or a little bit more. So stay in control, but make sure that you can still make that pace. Still make that speed that you had before. So drop the shoulders. And here we go. Oh yes, 20 more seconds to go. Told you, there's gonna be a small break in between. You're gonna change grip and hopefully change some resistance. So first, keep the hands where they are, but take it down, Just the speed a little bit less. So just a little slower. All right, now, hands are in, elbows are in, hip forward. More resistance if you still dare to go. 20 more seconds, speed it up, now. Un pasito para atrás, un pasito para adelante, María. Oh yes, oh yes. Oh, un pasito para atrás. Keep on going, Maria. All right, take your hands back, relax, more resistance. More resistance, more resistance, more resistance. We're gonna stand up right away. So more resistance, hands out. Go! Ah. Ah. If you can't feel this, you, my friend, have been cheating. Keep going. Again, I'm gonna give you a choice. You can either hover in a second, or sit down and take a break. All right, what's this? Hover or sit down? Un pasito para adelante, un pasito para atrás. you dare. More. Go. Whoopa. Oh yes, oh yes. Ten more seconds. Huh. Yes. 4, 3, 2, and relax. Sit down, relax. All right, a relatively long climb after this. And then we go further with a sprint, and a sprint with all really short breaks in between. So prepare yourself mentally and physically. I was gonna say you're gonna be fine, but now I'm not even sure anymore. Because I feel probably what you're feeling too. Good luck. Now I sincerely mean it. So take the resistance higher. Take it a little further. A little higher. Your hands are out. Stand up. Now. Oh yes, oh yes. More resistance. It's for yourself. You came here to become you started this class to become fitter, stronger. Make sure it happens by still pushing yourself to the limit or just below it every time. So just a little bit more resistance. More. Alright, so right after this climb, we're gonna sprint up. So it's gonna get less and less steep, so you can go just a little bit faster. Just a little bit faster. Before we're gonna go there, straight down. So, more speed, more speed. Sit yourself down, take your hands out. Show me, go! Woo! More seconds to go. Only 4 more. 3. Alright, ready, set? Take your hands back. Relax, relax, relax. But listen carefully. The breaks are going to be short, but every sprint is going to be just a little bit longer. So you got 4 seconds to prepare yourself again. Drop the shoulders. Take the resistance up if you still need to. Take your hands out. Hit it. Oh yes! 20 more seconds, go! Just a little more, 10 more seconds. Okay, so take your hands back to prepare yourself for the last sprint in this track. One last sprint, then we're gonna climb again. But first, good luck. Again, good luck. More. Drop the shoulders, hands are out. Hit it now. Oh yes, oh yes, oh yes. This is the longest out of the 3, but you have got to be fine. More! More seconds. Keep it going.
303, 808.
909. In my house, it's your house all the time. Keep going.
House all the time. House all the time. In my house, it's just house.
10 more seconds to go.
303, 808, 909. In my house, it's just house all the time. House all the time.
Alright.
House all the time.
So take your hands back. Take your hands back. A short climb and then a long climb. But after the short climb, you're gonna have a long break. Take the resistance up. Take the resistance up. Take the resistance up. Make sure it's enough to carry yourself on your pedals. So more. So take it higher. Take it higher. Take your hands out. Hit it now.
In my house.
It's just house all the time. So good. Woo! A little bit more. Keep going. Oh, yes. All right, for now, it's enough.
303.
So take that resistance back and sit down.
In my house, it's just house all the time.
Wow.
House all the time.
It's house all the time. It really is.
In my house, it's just house all the time. 303.
The next climb is going to be a long one, but I got more bad news coming up.
It's just house all the time.
After the next climb,
All the time.
we're going to have 2 more tracks.
House all the time.
Only the jump training
all the time.
and the mountain climb. And the mountain climb is going to be easy today. So everything needs to happen in this climb and the jumps. So take the resistance just a little higher, just a little higher, just a little higher. Did I say a little higher? A lot higher. More.
In my house, it's just house.
And
all the
here
time.
we go. You're so close to the end. You can do this. But when you're close, that means that you don't have to hold back anymore. So take that resistance just a little bit up. Good.
House all the time. In my house, it's just house all the time.
Woo! All right, again. You're halfway through this climb. So one more time. Take that resistance up just a little bit bigger. Just a little bit higher. Just a little bit stronger. Keep on going.
Yeah.
Sounds and feels fabulous, I know. Alright. So your body is already working hard. And we're gonna have 2 more rounds of jumps. Which isn't gonna be easy at all. But just for you to know, the first round we're gonna have 8 jumps and the second round 10. And a little sprint afterwards. So sit yourself down, take the resistance back. Oh, wow. Whew. Good luck recovering from this because you're gonna go straight on. So, more resistance than with a normal sprint. 8 jumps, ready, set? More. A little bit faster. This is a track of a dear friend of mine. Opix, thanks for making this. Hands out and stand up. And sit down. Keep it going. Stand up and sit down. Keep going. So sit up and sit down. Perfect. 4 more to go. Up. Sit down. And again. Perfect. 2 more. Because this isn't enough yet, we're gonna take it just a little bit further. Take your hands in, elbows in, speed up, now. Keep going, keep going. So keep on pushing, keep on pulling all the way through. This is supposed to be where your peak really starts. Keep going. 4 more, 3 more, 2, enough. Hands back, relax.
Is not available at present. Please leave your message after the beep.
Motherfuckers is stuck in 89.
I'm sincerely sorry for another 10 jumps. I know how it should feel now, and I really do feel how it feels now. So 1 more round to go, but the mountain climb is gonna be relatively easy. All right. Speed it up. More speed, more resistance. So take it higher, take it higher, take it higher. Take your hands out. Here we go. And sit down. 9 more to go. If this is too much, just sit down and sprint. That is fine too. Yes, 6 more to go. Keep going. 4 more. just a little further. That's what you came here for. This is where you make the difference. Take your hands in and speed it up now. All right. You came to this point, so why not pull it all the way through? Push it. Put it as far as you can go. Faster. You're nearly there. 4 more seconds. 4, 3, 2, relax. Good. So what we're gonna do, I have 2 more climbs, both of only 40 seconds, which is really short for amounts of climb. So this means that resistance has to be high from the top already. So right from the beginning, take that resistance high, and even higher than you think is necessary. Take your hands out, stand up, go. You are so close to the end. Push it till the end until you can't do it no more. A little more resistance, please.
I like the way you're moving. I like the way you step into it.
Oh yes, oh yes.
I like the way you're moving.
All right, for now's enough.
Step into it.
Upper body, still.
Boom, 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 boom.
More resistance and in the beat. Now.
I'm getting down on the dance floor. I make you sweat, make you sweat.
Ooh, yes you do.
I'm getting down on the dance floor. I make you sweat, make you sweat.
10 more seconds to go.
I make you sweat, make you sweat. I make you sweat, make you sweat.
4,
Sweat, make you sweat.
3, 2, and for now, sit down, relax, relax, relax. It's time to go a little bit more crazy than we already did. You're nearly there. Push and pull. Your very last chance to give everything you still got. So, you've recovered enough to make sure to push everything in those legs that you still got. So turn it not to the right. Further. 10 more seconds before we're gonna start our final climb. 40 seconds till the finish line. You can do this, but make sure it really counts. More, go! Oh, so good. All right, I'm gonna ask you one more time to turn that knob as much to the right as you can. Look, turn it, turn it, turn it, and keep going. All right, so we're gonna speed up a little towards the finish. So, just a little faster if you can, and there, keep going, all the way to the finish line. More. You wanna be the first one to cross it. Keep on going, keep on going. 8 more seconds to go. Faster. 4, 3, 2.
Shake it, girl. Shake it, girl. Shake it, girl.
I'll check another release online with just summer and sun music. And again, I'll leave a message in the description below to show you how you can vote for the best track from 11 till 20. And if you want to do some other classes, right here, you can do some fight classes. Right here, you can do some strength classes if you have barbells or dumbbells at home. And I hope to see you next time again. Thank you so much, and have a great day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.